Hello, my name is Neha Goel, and the name of my subject is Childhood and Growing Up. The topic for today's lecture is Theory of Psychosexual Development by Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud was an Austrian neurologist who became known as the founding father of psychoanalysis. Freud believed that adult personality problems were the result of early experiences in life. He believed that we go through 5 stages of psychosexual development. At each stage of development, we experience pleasure in one part of the body, then in others. Freud believed that human personality consisted of 3 interworking parts: the id, the ego, and the superego. According to his theory, these parts become unified as a child works through the 5 stages of psychosexual development. The id, the largest part of the mind, is related to desires and impulses and is the main source of basic biological needs. The ego is related to reasoning and is the conscious, rational part of the personality. The superego restricts the desire of the id by applying morals and values from society. Freud believed that a struggle existing between these levels of consciousness, influencing personality development and psychopathology. Freud stressed that the first 5 years of life are crucial to the formation of adult personality. The id must be controlled in order to satisfy social demands. This sets up a conflict between frustrated wishes and social norms. The id and superego develop in order to exercise this control and direct the need for gratification into socially acceptable channels. Gratification centers in different areas of the body at different stages of growth, making the conflict at each stage psychosexual. Each of the psychosexual stages is associated with a particular conflict that must be resolved before the individual can successfully advance to the next stage. Both frustration and overindulgence may lead to what psychoanalysts call fixation at a particular psychosexual stage. Thank you.